Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check for the software update of your LG Tone FP9. So to do this you have to be connected with the LG Tone application. Next you have to scroll down, select software update. Right now we have to be also connected with the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and here you will find any information about the new software. As you can see in my case, I'm up to date, but you can also enable this software update notification. So each time you will get the new update, you will get the notification, and after that you can simply move right here straight to the application and get the new software for your earbuds. That's all for the video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.